1998, number 7. So we're given two functions, f of x and g of x. And they want to know at what value of x do they have parallel tangent lines. So I guess the key word is parallel tangent lines. When you think parallel, you should think slopes are equal to each other. But what tells you the slopes of the tangent lines? You should think the derivatives are equal to each other. And since this is a calculator question, we jump to our calculator. I've already punched in the functions, but now we need the derivatives. So couple things. You could take the derivative manually and then plug them in here for y3 and y4, or you can have the calculator do for you to eliminate mistakes. So with the calculator, math 8 means derivative. It's always respect to x in here. And we want to take the derivative of the first function, so I want to put y1. And I want the derivative at all values of x, so I put x. And then I do the same thing, math 8, and I want to do this for y2, my second function, at all values of x. Now, I don't want to graph the first two functions. I just want the slopes. So I'm going to hit enter on those equal signs, and you'll notice they're no longer highlighted. Now I need to figure out my domain, what values of x. And if you look, they choose from negative 0.7 to negative 0.2. That means my x values can go from negative 1 to 0. So when I check my windows, I'm going to go from negative 1 to 0. And I don't know how high and how low it's going to go. Let me try zoom 0, which tries to fit the y values. And there we go. And the point of intersection is right, let me see, right there. How do I find that? I do second calc, intersect, and the black y3 is my first curve, so enter. The second curve is the y4, and it says guess. I'm pretty close to it, so I'm going to guess there. And I get negative 0.3906, and if we look, there it is. The answer is C.